we have had an amazing event. It has been a fun-filled weekend. We've wheeled hard, we've shot hard, we've ate hard, and we've camped hard.
Gear's going to do a great job. They've already had amazing classes of people experiencing the overlanding space, teaching those from the firearms community about all the different overlanding gear, how to set up your rig, how to use your rig, recovery, and then of course all the amazing firearms instructors for those of us in the overlanding community who want to learn to shoot better, maneuver better, just be better equipped to protect ourselves out in the wild.
It's really important to be mobile, and so this is kind of bringing the 2A community into other communities and blending that together and making people that are overlanders and off-roaders and outdoors people more comfortable with guns and firearms. It's just getting mobile with that and getting into the community and just connecting it is what it's all about.
Thank you so much to our attendees. Our attendees came out in numbers that we didn't expect. They showed up, they enjoyed it, and they had such a great positive response. I also want to say briefly, thank you to the Mirrors crew. They put on a beautiful, beautiful stage for this event, and we will be back with the Mirrors team next year. See you at the next Gear Summit.